Welcome. My name is Liz, and I am a mother of three and a daycare provider here in New York, and the creator of Laundry Talk on YouTube. And I wanted to introduce myself because it's been a while that I have made an introduction video, and I wanted to let you know a few things or share some stuff about me. So, the first thing is why pick the name Laundry Talk for my channel. And the reason I picked the Laundry Talk is because I felt like it's just a place where I can talk about different things that make me up. So, like the different things that make up Liz. And so everyone's laundry is different, I feel. Everyone does their laundry differently or has different laundries. And I just thought it's like as you do things around your home, you have these chats. Like that's what I was thinking. I've never actually done a video on actually doing my laundry, which is quite funny. And some people have asked me, like, do you do laundry videos? Is that a cleaning channel? It's not. It is actually a family channel. And my main focus here is to talk to parents on how they can better the experience, like parenting experience, also to save them as much money as possible in their everyday essentials and more things that they want to get throughout their days. Another thing that I want to share is that I want to share positive things. I want to share things about me in general, but I'm usually trying to be upbeat and positive and like kind of turn the negatives into a positive thing and view life as best I can, as I would, love for everyone's life to be happy, not stressful. I try the most I can not to focus on stressful things because they already will come. Life will already be full of stressful things, problems, issues, yada yada. We don't need to know those problems. We need to know solutions. And that's what I'm here for, to help you. For example, if you don't know what to give your kids for dinner or you don't know what to send in your child's lunchbox, well, I can share videos on that. If you need to get a bunch of laundry detergents or other things, as you can see behind me, it's part of my large stockpile. I can help you with deals. For example, like I like to shop at Walgreens for the most part, but if I find other deals in other places, I show them as well. um, by the time you see this video, I don't know if we're still going to have TikTok around, but I do have an account there, and I've been most active there on that platform. However, I'm active here as well, and I know I fall off the wagon sometimes, but it's just difficult when your your group of people, the people that subscribe to you, like, you guys are not letting me know what you want to see. Are you liking the content? When I see more engagement, I kind of like stick on that area, and so that's why I've been doing more videos on TT. However, I want to continue to make more content here. It's been like a huge journey, and I want to bring up my views. I want to bring up my subscriber count. I want to bring up those likes and comments and all of that. So please interact with this video, interact with my channel, share it, let more people know about it, and definitely, if there's things that you like to hear, if you are here for saving money, and that's what you want to get out of my family channel, then by all means let me know you want to see more videos on that. If you are here for the savings, for saving hundreds and thousands of dollars on your essentials and on things that you like toys for kids and things for your home and stuff for your gardening, let me know in the comments. Let me know this is what I want to focus on your channel, and then I would make more videos on that. I actually have a playlist of over a dozen videos, like homeschooling. So if you have your kids at home and you want to put that list of videos for them while you're doing other things at home, like cooking and cleaning, or just a mental break, just drinking your coffee and not having your kids around, but you want them to be in a place that's safe, like seeing a video that's adequate for them, then go put my playlist. So there's a lot on my channel, and these are just some of the things that you can find in it, but just go to explore it, and again, share with more people so that we can share that information of lunch boxes and saving money and just tips on overall things that I have experienced as a mom of three for over 2 decades that I think could be helpful, and should be helpful in some instance. In others, just to share my experience, and maybe I find people that have shared the same or going through the same situation, and if I can just help one person, two people, however many, then I will be happy, and that's the point of the channel. So I hope this introduction finds you well, and I hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and just interact with it so that it can continue to move and be shown to other people. Thank you so much for your time, and don't forget to smile.